So if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker or just looking for something cool to add to your desk setup, I might have just the thing for you. This is the Ditoo from Divoom. It's a Bluetooth speaker with a built-in pixel art screen. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, let's go ahead and get it unboxed. And you can see the packaging is a really high quality. We've got a lovely soft handle on the top. We've got a little button on the side we can press in and open up, and then we can go ahead and take it out. Taking a look at what else is included in the packaging. So we've got our charging cable here. Go ahead and take it out of the bag. So we've got USB-C to USB-A. We've got our instruction manual. We've got our pass for quality check. And then we've got some stickers. So taking a closer look at the device itself, we've got a large screen at the front. We've got these keys which give a very satisfying click when pressed, and a little lever here as well. Now when we go ahead and turn the device on, you'll realise these aren't just for decoration, they're actually functional keys. On the top of the device we've got our speaker grille, while on the side of the device we've got a micro SD card slot, our power button and our USB-C connector to charge the device. Okay, let's go ahead and get things powered on. So as this is a Bluetooth speaker, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and get it connected to my phone and test the sound quality. So when I'm going to the Bluetooth options, Ditoo audio is coming up, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. There we go, and that's us connected. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and play some music and see what the sound is like. So we can use the buttons to increase or decrease the volume. So we'll go ahead and turn things up. So first thing to say, looking at the speaker quality, I'm pleasantly surprised by the quality of the audio. Now let's take a look at the other buttons and see what they do. If we go ahead and press the power button briefly, it's going to bring the battery indicator up, so you can see I didn't charge this before doing the review. Okay, so we go ahead and press the menu button. We're able to cycle through the various menus using the arrow key. So we've got games, we've got draw, we've got tools, we've got the clock, and we've also got the music. So I'm going to show you some of the features this offers. So let's go ahead and start off with the games. So press the lever to select. So we've got a variety of games. This looks like Tetris, and we can work our way through and see the different games that are available. So I think I'm going to start with Tetris. So to select it, I'm going to press the lever, and again to start. So I'm assuming the arrow keys are going to move us around the board. I think the plus indicator is to rotate, and then if I want to drop it, it's this key here. Okay, we'll rotate that round. Okay, let's see what else is available in the games. I think I did see Snake, which I haven't played for years and years. I think this is Snake, let's see. Yeah, okay, we'll pull the lever. Yeah, that's me dead already. I'm obviously going to have to work out the keys before we go. Not so easy. Okay, that's just going now. So we've got artwork here, into the settings menu. Let's take a look at the noise meter. Okay, so if I'm quiet, And then if I start talking, the noise meter goes up, and we'll give it a clap. And then we've got music, so if I select it with the lever, then you can choose between Bluetooth or using the micro SD card, which you can plug in at the side. Other things to point out, if we want to turn the lighting off around the keys, we just need to hold the menu key and then hold it again to turn the lighting back on. We can also use this key to change the lighting effects, so if I press it, also if I hold it in, it will change the lighting function. And we're cycling through a whole variety of different clocks here. And then back to the default one. We can also go ahead and use the Divoom app to add more functionality. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my device. So I've already added my logo into here. I'm going to try and add it to the device. So we'll click on the logo. And there we go. So I think that looks great. Okay, so summing up my thoughts on the Ditoo from Divoom, I've been really impressed with this device. I think the build quality is exceptional. It's really weighty and it feels really solid in the hands, and all the buttons feel great to use. I wasn't expecting the speaker to actually be that good because I thought it was more of a gimmick, something nice to sit in your setup and make it look good, and I thought the screen was going to be the main feature. But actually the sound quality is incredibly good. I think the screen is great and it can be used for a whole variety of functions. I've only shown you a couple of them here, but there's loads and loads of them in the menu. And I think being able to play games on it and having these wee novelty ideas is great. So I've been impressed with this. If you want to find out more about the device, you'll find links to it in the description.